This is Cake Boss Bird. They have been making cakes for a long time. They make wedding cakes, all different colors and sizes. One day, Cake Boss Bird gets an invitation to make cakes for a wedding. Brendan and Sarah, the Puffins, are getting married. Cake Boss Bird gets all the stuff together and begins to plan the cakes. Boss has to make nine cakes for Puffin wedding. Cakes are made with cocoa, flour, baking soda, sugar, and lots of eggs. The kitchen quickly became a mess. It took a really long time for the cake boss to finish all the cakes. Each one was made with different colors, flavors, and designs. The main cake was made with 2 small lovebirds and placed on top. Brendan and Sarah will soon see all the cakes during the wedding. The wedding was a huge success. Everyone loved the colorful cakes. All the animals in the kingdom came to the wedding and enjoyed lots of cake. The boss cake bird felt great. This was a good reminder that if you work hard and practice, and you can achieve your dream. Sometimes it's messy, but it's good to have fun along the way.